Welcome to Super Connect, an insightful connection with the Superintendent for Northeastern Adventist Academy, District of Schools. Want to know more about how we are making Adventist education work for you? Tune in each week for information and inspiration about the transformational change in education. And now, for your Superintendent, Dr. Greg Baldeo.
We're creating a narrative that is fitting for schools. One of the most exciting things for us in Northeastern Adventist Academy is our strategic plan. And you can take a detailed look at our strategic plan on our website, neced.org. What is strategic planning, and why did we go through the process of strategic planning? Let's take a couple steps back. When the administration took office for Northeastern Conference, the president, Dr. Jules, realized that there were several things that needed to be fixed with the educational system. And he sat with his team and developed a restructuring plan. The restructuring plan had 3 phases. 1, redress, reset, and rebuilding. They have executed the reset and the redress section of the restructuring plan. And then I was appointed to rebuild the system. In rebuilding the system, we realized that we needed to understand what our priorities are and where we're going. Strategic planning is an organization's process of defining its direction. And so we have, through our strategic planning, defined where we're going, how we're going to allocate resources, what do we need to get there, and the priorities that we're looking at to get there. So across the constituency, we developed different groups that worked on different areas of our strategic plan. And coming out of our SWOT analysis, or strengths or weaknesses or opportunities and threats, we saw clearly 5 priority areas that we must focus on over the next 4 years. 1, integrated marketing and enrollment. 2, scholastic success. 3, stewardship and student development. 4, technology and infrastructure. And 5, customer experience. As you look at the website, you will realize that each of these priority areas have a set of goals. And with these goals, we have ownership, meaning the individuals that are going to ensure that these goals are accomplished. Then we have the tactics or the strategy around each goal. So what are the things that we will be doing to accomplish each goal? Then we have our key performance indicators, which then tells us, are we meeting these goals? How do we measure? How do we know that we have arrived at what we said we wanted to do? And of course, you have the risk management, meaning how do we mitigate the risks or the threats that might be imposed to threaten us meeting those goals. As you look at the website, you will see all those details. But the exciting thing for us to know is that we have a direction. We have a direction for marketing, a new narrative that we are creating so that our constituency will see and hear and understand what we have to offer. Our scholastic success. Wow. We're going to work out in another Super Connect video as it relates to how are we going to make our students successful scholastically. Then our stewardship. Can we take a breather here? Because from a stewardship standpoint, if we are able to be faithful stewards, our world will be a better place. We want to ensure that we are better stewards of what God has given unto us, our management, our accountability, and we're being better stewards for student development. Understand, the strategic plan is made around student centricity. So everything that we do, it is in an effort of developing our students. Then technology and infrastructure. As we go around the schools, we realize that there's a lot of work to do from an infrastructure basis and from a technology basis. But we're going to walk you through as we journey in the goals that we have to ensure that we have a system that is technologically advanced and infrastructurally we have what is needed to carry us forward. And then customer experience. We want to wow everyone, from answering off the phone to your interaction with office staff to teachers. And guess what? We're going to hold each individual accountable to this. Our strategic plan is an exciting direction for our future. The Northeastern Adventist Academy is the place for your child. Check out our strategic plan on neced.org as we build something better.